tasting giant cactuses. Like, I'm talking like 3 times the size of me.
I am excited to try eating cactus food. So
Ooh.
I hear that they have cactus ice cream and cactus cake.
Hi, I'm John from Cactus Country. Together with my mum and dad, we run Cactus Country, which is Australia's largest cactus garden. We've got plants from South America, North America and Mexico and Africa. That's what makes it pretty unique.
Standing here in front of what is called the cactus monster, and it's legitimately trying to attack us. These fruit keep falling off.
I just leant against that cactus and it attacked me!
Ow. Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's not hair on my
No,
leg. That is cactus prick!
Get it out.
They've been growing for about 30 years, so yeah, basically everything that arrived here was small in pots, so they've done the majority of their growing in that 30 years. And because we have a really ideal climate, we get hot summers, cold winters, so we do get that faster growth.
This cactus, this guy, is used to make the cactus ice cream that we're about to taste.
Yes, super exciting. Can't wait to see what the flavor's like.
I've never eaten a cactus before. Have you?
No, I'm really interested to see what it is going to taste like.
So that's it. We've just finished our journey to Cactus Country. What did everyone think?
I can't believe how big the cactuses were. I think that was pretty insane.
Yeah.
And the cactus food.
I can't believe you can't find water in them.
Myth busted.